Good afternoon, everyone. This is KIT Iizuka for English 7D, April 9th, 2026, the first class for us. The first class is a lot of housekeeping, and I have some things for you to write and stuff like that. Basically, I'm going to go through the Moodle, introduce you to some software that I want you to use, and if we have time, get you started on what I want you to do, especially when it comes to the vocabulary that we're going to be studying in this class. Now, normally this video or videos like it will only be about 5 or 6 minutes. This is when I talk about the schedule, what we're going to do today, what you have to pay attention to. But this might take a little bit longer because I have to talk about things from the top. So let's take a look at this from the very beginning. Okay, so first of all, that is my email. Now, the university has a different email for me. It's something cruise, something QTech email. And I do not use that email. I use this email. So if you want to talk to me, use this email, my Gmail. Okay? It's easier to remember anyway, jdmcruise@gmail.com. You can also, if you want, use the Moodle messaging system. Somebody already did. I'll check that later. But I don't check that as much as I check my email. My email automatically tells me there's a mail, and if you message me, I'll know right away. Moodle, I check maybe once a day, usually only 2 or 3 times a week before the classes begin. So you're better off using my Gmail address if you want to contact me. As I told you before, yes, I speak Japanese. Yes, I can read Japanese. It's probably better for you to actually use this opportunity to learn how to write and read English. You don't have to write perfect English. I'm not the kind of teacher that bugs you about your English mistakes. In this class especially, your mistakes are not important to me. How much you speak is important to me. I want you to speak a lot. If that means that you make a lot of mistakes, great. You make many mistakes, you have many chances to learn. If you don't make mistakes, either A, okay, you're not speaking very much, or 2, your English is really good. And if your English is really good, you don't need to be in this class. Okay, there are a few things that I want you to do. If you've already checked this out, that's fine. One of the most important things for you to do is actually make sure, and you probably already have this, that you have Moodle both on your computer and on your phone, or just your tablet. If you haven't put Moodle on your phone or on your tablet from last year, I really suggest it. More than once, one of my students, during a test, suddenly they couldn't use their computer. And I said, well, it's okay. Do the test on your phone. And everything was okay. So let's make sure about that. Also, here is the academic calendar. And you can click on that to see where the holidays and stuff are. The only time that I think we have a holiday is basically here on April 30th. So 3 weeks from now. Okay, that will basically be the Golden Week equivalent holiday there. That's the only holiday that we have. Okay. And this is my syllabus. Let me click that over too. Okay, you can check to see how I break down the grade between the quizzes, the homework, the tests, and the speaking assignments. You can take a look at that on your own time. Now, if you have not yet purchased this textbook, okay, you're going to need to purchase a textbook. And some students might purchase it early for the second semester. But as long as there are textbooks available, then you'll be able to take this class. If there are no more textbooks available, that means that the class is full. And I don't know what's going to happen next week or what's going to happen this week. Probably will be around this number, about 14, maybe 16 students. So I ordered about 30 textbooks, so probably you'll be okay. But just to warn you, one of the important things to taking this class is having a textbook. You don't have a textbook, you can't take this class. Okay. And this is the software downloads we'll be looking at a little bit later. A little bit later in the class, I'm going to be showing you how to make what are called walking videos. That's not important for right now, but if you have time, take a look at what I'm talking about in these videos, because this will be one of your assignments. And this is another video that talks about walking videos. You don't have to look at them right now, but it'll help you if you look at them now and then maybe look at them again later. Okay. In the first class, come on. In the first class, we don't have a lot of assignments. Your only 2 assignments will be a listening quiz that I want you to do. Okay, that will be due, right there, on April 15th. So a little under a week. You have about a week to do this quiz. It's very simple. Okay, you click into the quiz, you'll listen to something, and you'll have some questions that you take. Now, with my quizzes, come back over here. Come in. With my quizzes, okay, you only have 15 minutes to take the quiz, but you can take the quiz 3 times. So if you didn't get a good score the first time, take it again. And Moodle will take your best score. So even if you take it 3 times, and the 3rd time you actually got another low score, it's okay. Moodle will choose the best score out of the 3, and it will use that to record it. So take your opportunity to, within those 6 days, to do every quiz I have, okay? You can take it 3 times, and Moodle will automatically remember your score. Today, at the end of the class, we're going to have a writing assignment. So you're going to need some paper and a pen. We'll do that in just a second. But we've got a few other things to do before that. But this is the only other assignment that you have to do this week. So it's not a heavy week. You have a listening quiz that you have to do by the end of next week. And in class, we're going to do this writing assignment. Okay? All right, so that was a little bit longer than I usually make these videos. Most important thing for you to remember is that you have some assignments and, come on, right there. That's my email. So if you need to contact me, please contact me here. Okay? Alrighty, let's see here. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, thanks very much, and have a good class, everyone.